Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I have my guest star.
Hello guys, hello everybody.
After long time, Dhaval, everyone thought we are not in touch anymore. Kya hua? Where were you?
Everybody thought that we fought and
Like YouTube style.
YouTube style, and we were not in touch. But looks like we were all busy with our own priorities.
Yeah. You know, moving homes, and of course Dhaval's been busy with his work, and I'm happy sitting in his Q7. I'm going to make a separate Q7 review of his 6 months ownership. But now we are heading to the BMW store, and whenever Dhaval says BMW store, I'm always willing to join him. So we're going to meet Ben over there. And Dhaval, what the hell, why haven't you bought a bike yet?
I'm looking for the perfect deal.
Perfect deal, huh?
And
perfect deal or perfect bike?
Perfect bike with a perfect deal.
Okay.
And that's the reason I'm still kind of bike hopping, or bike shopping rather, I should say.
Yeah.
And that has kept me from not having a bike for like 3-4 months now.
In case you guys didn't see, some weeks back I put a video about Dhaval selling his Bonville. He got a profit actually. How much profit you got from it?
I made close to $1,000 on it.
Wonderful, yeah. So Dhaval is after all Guju Bhai. He has to be fantastic in business and money. So that's something I need to learn from him. But now I think he's going to listen to me and get something really sexy, okay, from the BMW store. Dhaval, no Honda and Kawasaki and all, okay?
They are all they are not on the priority list right now.
We don't buy bikes for commuting. We buy bikes for passion and hobby and all that stuff. So for commuting, we use the car. Anyways, about to reach BMW showroom, and hopefully Dhaval's going to pick something awesome. And yeah, let's see what happens there.
The bike that I'm looking is the same exact model, but it has all the accessories to it.
So Dhaval's checking out the R18, which I think is a good one for. It's quite low, Dhaval.
28 height.
Yeah, you'll be able to sit very easily.
I don't want to sit until Ben.
Yeah. You were looking at this two once, right?
This I was almost about to buy, but shipping again.
Shipping. So Dhaval's looking for pre-owned bikes at the moment, but he just came to check out the R18, and maybe if he's in the mood he'll buy it, right Dhaval?
I might buy the new one.
Yeah, the new one. Just ride out today. All the bikes in summer, there's always a lot of bikes. So this is exactly what you're looking at.
This exact model.
Good.
Except the accessories.
So lucky he has it, at least you can see
Except
it.
the accessories.
Yeah.
Even
And this is 26.
Sorry,
26 something, no?
And let's see the weight.
How much is that?
22.
How come that's cheaper? How come that is 22?
So this is normal R18.
Yeah.
That's R18 first edition or classic.
Oh, that's right. So this is $22,000.
You see, it's written first edition.
First edition.
And that's why it has
Yeah,
chrome plating.
chrome plated. Yeah. Looks good, man.
And the right is bigger than left, something like that.
Here we have the BMW Grand America in black. We also have a Triumph cycle. Yeah. Alright, Dhaval is trying the R18, but like I was telling him, the leg is very close to the Boxer engine, you know. So if he's not comfortable, he should try it out. Otherwise, once you buy it, you know. But I think, I don't know, overall what do you feel?
Overall, I think it's going to be comfortable.
You like the comfort. It's your legs are totally down.
The legs are flat.
Which is good.
Yeah, which is good.
Are you finding it heavy?
This one I'm not. I mean, this can be manageable.
Manageable.
But again,
Much heavier than your Bonville.
One wheel was 100 pounds lighter.
Yeah.
But it all depends on when it starts and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so see, I can easily move this.
When he comes, just ask him to hold it, no? So you can put your legs up. I don't want to do it. It may break. It may fall.
So now the question is freaking parking
Yeah, where are you gonna park it, dude?
behind. But this engine is so
Shit. That's true. I didn't think about the parking in your house. Because Dhaval has a single outdoor parking. And winter you'll have to really think through.
winter. I'm going to bargain something with.
Yeah, that. You may have to just take the storage, yeah, winter storage. There's no other way out.
Because even you can't park this.
Yeah, it's too much.
It's too much.
It won't fit in my garage. I mean, with my current bike. As usual, guys, whenever I'm here, I will give you a little walk around of the bike. This is a Honda. And then there's a Harley 883. Attila. Alright, so we are done with the BMW store, and Dhaval is very serious about buying the R18. So we're just reversing out and going back home, but I'll let Dhaval explain in a bit about what his thoughts are. So we're not going to talk about the price and all that because we're still working out the deal. But yeah, this is the base model, right? Right.
This is the base model, but the base model comes with cruise control. The base model comes with hill assist, parking assist.
So lot of
goodies.
So the safety goodies are there.
Correct.
And you know, we're getting some deal, but it's a brand new bike, and it'll be what, 1800 cc.
It's an 1800cc pure boxer engine.
Yeah.
It's pure boxer engine.
So Dhaval will join the Boxer family. Of course, I left the Boxer family to join the Inline 6 family. But both ways, we will be BMW boys. So, you know, you like the feel of the bike and all, Dhaval? Though test ride, when are we doing?
So test drive, Ryan and I will come back again this weekend, or maybe Friday or Thursday.
Yeah.
But overall feel of the bike is pretty much comfortable. Though it's a lengthy, it's a long bike.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, I would say.
And you're buying a classic, man. Like,
I'm buying a pure classic.
Yeah, because initially Dhaval was thinking of a much lesser cc BMW. Which were you looking at?
I was looking at R9T,
Yeah.
the younger sibling,
Right.
and I was also looking at R1000R,
Yeah.
which is GS's younger sibling,
900R.
and then F900R, which is a pure naked bike.
Yeah. So the problem with Dhaval's GSA or GS is the height. He's on the shorter side, so you know he can't put his feet fully down for the touring bikes.
Correct.
And he, like me, does a lot of city riding more than touring. So I think the R18 will be great, yeah, Dhaval.
Yeah, I mean 200%. The R18 is going to be great.
Yeah.
The only thing that I have to see is maneuvering.
Yeah.
Because as Ryan said, it's a slightly heavy bike.
Yeah.
So we'll have to figure out once I test ride the bike.
No, I think every bike before buying you should test drive. So we'll do that and make another video, and then Dhaval will decide. As of now, he's happy with the price and the deal and everything. So you know, obviously that part is done. But we have to test drive today. They couldn't test drive because of some reason. And the bike is in the crate, so you know they're going to sell the bike after removing it from the crate in the factory, in the dealership. So it's a brand new bike he'll be getting from Germany.
Yep, it's Berlin made.
Yeah, Berlin made.
So again, we are almost there, but not there yet.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for more updates.
Yeah, and I will be, I won't speak to Dhaval if he doesn't buy a bike before August.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the deal, right?
That's the deal, because the DMVs are still running behind the schedule.
Yeah. So yeah, Dhaval is going to enjoy some months of riding this season for sure, because he sold his bike and then he was obviously looking for the right bike, and now I think the R18 is looking superb. You would have seen the B-roll, so let us know in the comments what you think about the bike and your views as well. So yeah, thanks Dhaval for joining the video.
Thank you, Ryan, for filming me.
Yeah, and we're gonna log off, head back home. I've parked my car at Dhaval's parking. I'm gonna get back home to other stuff. Alright guys, thanks for joining. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye.